Mason, wake up now! You are late again already! Please give me 5 more minutes in bed.
Breakfast is ready, children. Come downstairs right now.
I am awake now. I am coming downstairs. You say that same thing every single morning. And every morning, I still survive somehow.
Sit down right now and eat your breakfast.
I am sitting now. Do not worry.
Eat something before school starts this morning.
The bus will come very soon today. Then I will run extra fast again.
This is not funny anymore, Mason. Understand that.
Yeah. You always make us rush every morning. But we are still going and not missing school. Late again today, Mason and Ella? Yes, because of Mason again this morning. But I made it here in time.
Mason, your shirt is not tucked in properly.
Sorry, Principal Maya. I will fix it now. He embarrasses me every single day at school.
Take out your homework now, everyone, please.
Oh no. This is really bad.
Do not tell me you forgot it again today.
Yes, sir. I forgot it again. See? He is always some kind of problem.
This keeps happening again and again, Mason.
I knew, sir. I am sorry. Nina, maybe he really needs some help. No, he just needs to grow up. Please stop. Give my books back now. Leave him alone right now, Ryan.
Mind your own business, Mason. Go away. Do not touch me like that again.
What is happening here in this hallway?
I was helping him, sir. He was being bullied. Mason started it first, not me. I do not know what to say.
Mason, come with me right now.
More trouble again, just like always. You will stay after school for detention today.
Yes, ma'am. I understand that. Ella, I need to tell you something important. My project. My project. It is completely ruined now. I did not mean to do that at all. It was an accident. He did not mean it. You ruined everything that matters to me. I am really sorry about your project.
Use this time to think very carefully.
I already am thinking about everything now.
How was school today for both of you?
Mason got detention again after recess today.
Again? What happened this time, Mason?
Yes, it happened again today. He ruined my project with juice too.
Ella, that is enough for now, please.
I will fix it. I promise you that. You always say that and nothing changes.
I need this bike very early tomorrow morning.
Okay, Dad. I understand that.
Where is my bike?
It was right here. Mason took it. I know he did. Why would he do something like that?
I am back. I came as fast as I could.
Why did you take my bike without asking?
I needed it for something important.
You should have asked me first, Mason.
I am sorry. I know that. He even took Daddy's bike this morning, too. He always causes trouble. I don't know why you defend him.
There is always a problem with him.
My poster is gone from my bag. What are you going to do now?
Ella, you left this at home.
I ran all the way here with it.
That was really nice of you, Mason.
You should have given it to me sooner. I came as fast as I possibly could. He still makes me feel nervous.
I need this money for Mom Rose's medicine tomorrow.
Thank you, Tom. That means a lot.
Why is he looking at the wallet like that?
The money is missing from my wallet.
Missing? How can that be possible?
Ella, did you take that money?
No, Dad. I did not take it.
Mason, did you take that money?
It was him. It was him. I know it was him.
Please tell us the truth right now.
I can explain later. Please trust me.
Did you take the money or not?
Yes. I took the money.
Mason, how could this happen?
Why would you do that to this family?
I cannot say why right now.
Go to your room right now, Mason.
Please use this money for Mom Rose's medicine, and do not tell my family.
Mason? What
What were you doing all this time?